Have you been battling persistent inflammation and desperately seeking a solution? What if I told you that the secret to relief might be as close as your refrigerator door? Imagine waking up each morning with less pain, increased vitality, and a newfound zest for life. Ready to find out how? Then stick around as we unveil 7 powerful drinks that work wonders to reduce inflammation. This isn't just hearsay. These are all based on cutting-edge research and proven to aid your body's natural defense against inflammation. Let's say cheers to a life with less inflammation and more vitality. Number 1. Lemon water. This is no ordinary drink. A squeeze of lemon transforms your glass of water into a powerhouse brimming with vitamin C and A, potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Now, imagine these antioxidants swooping in like superheroes fighting off the bad guys. Oxidative stress, one of the primary villains causing inflammation in your body. But don't just take my word for it. A fascinating study featured in Drug Design Development and Therapy unveils the magic behind this sunny beverage. According to their research, vitamin C lowered inflammation in participants battling obesity, hypertension, and diabetes. Number 2. Celery juice. Now, let's talk about a drink that might surprise you with its understated power. Many people might dismiss celery juice as another wellness trend, but this green elixir is more than just a pretty face in the world of health drinks. It's a bona fide inflammation-busting powerhouse. Did you know that celery juice is a great source of fiber, a secret weapon for improved digestion and protection against constipation? Now, that's not something to be taken lightly. Drinking celery juice also helps keep you hydrated. An aspect often overlooked in our daily health regimen, considering celery as practically a water-filled wand. Juicing it can boost your fluid intake and promote better hydration, according to a report in the American Society for Clinical Investigation. Staying well hydrated isn't just about quenching thirst. It's intricately connected to inflammation markers and can be instrumental in warding off chronic age-related diseases. Number 3. Coffee. Hold on to your coffee mugs, caffeine lovers. We have some thrilling news that will perk you right up. That aromatic cup of joe you savor each morning isn't just about getting you kick-started for the day. It also wears a superhero cape as it swoops in to combat inflammation in your body. You heard that right? It's like having a wellness party right in your cup, but let's get the most out of this brew. If you want to tap into the full anti-inflammatory potential of your coffee, it's time to embrace it in its pure alterated form, black coffee. Research warns us that a diet high in sugar can stoke the fires of inflammation, so let's hold off on the extra sugar and those super sweet creamers. If black coffee is too much a leap, just remember, moderation is key when it comes to added sugars. Number 4. Pineapple juice. Let's embark on a tropical getaway to explore the sensational healing properties of pineapple juice. Hidden within this exotic fruit is a secret warrior, bromelain, an enzyme celebrated as one of the most potent and thoroughly researched anti-inflammatories. Bromelain is truly a jack of all trades. The secret to bromelain's effectiveness is its high bioavailability. This simply means that once you consume it, your body absorbs it swiftly and retains its potency for quite some time. While bromelain is present throughout the pineapple, it's most concentrated in the stem. The stem might be a bit tough to chew, but no worries. You can blend or juice the core along with the sweet, juicy flesh to whip up a delectable inflammation-fighting elixir. So the next time you see a pineapple, remember it's not just a tropical treat, it's a wellness warrior in disguise. Number 5. Warm turmeric milk. A notch with a comforting and powerful beverage that's been cherished for centuries, warm turmeric milk. The star ingredient here is turmeric, a vibrant yellow-orange spice renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory compound. Curcumin, it's a superhero when it comes to combating chronic diseases and soothing osteoarthritis-related pain. Now, allow me to take you on a journey to a 2019 study that really puts turmeric in the spotlight. Picture this: 139 patients with knee osteoarthritis were divided into 2 camps. One group consumed a turmeric capsule 3 times daily, while the other group was given a 50 mg diclofenac tablet, which is a commonly used non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, twice a day. Fast forward to 14 and 28 days, and guess what? The pain severity scores revealed the natural spice was neck and neck with the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug in reducing knee pain and inflammation, but with a bonus: fewer side effects. Incorporating turmeric into your diet can be as easy as pie. Blend it into smoothies or brew it into tea. Here's a pro tip. Since curcumin is better absorbed with a little fat, Consider adding milk or avocado to your turmeric smoothie. Number 6 is ginger tea. Ready to turn up the heat on inflammation with a spicy treat? Whether you love it piping hot or cool, as ice, ginger tea is a champion contender in the ring against inflammation. This zesty spice carries a legacy spanning thousands of years as a trust remedy for upset stomachs, nausea and pain relief. Don't just take ancient wisdom for it. The Arthritis Foundation gives a nod to ginger as a natural soother for sore and inflamed joints. Ginger extract outperformed a placebo by reducing pain and stiffness by an impressive 40% more, and here's the kicker. Besides flexing its anti-inflammatory muscles, some scientists suggest ginger can also act as an analgesic, stepping up as your personal pain reliever. Number 7, Tart Cherry Juice. Get ready for a taste bud adventure that also packs a powerful health punch. Welcome to the world of Tart Cherry Juice. If your palate savors the sweetness of cherry juice, you're in for a real treat, one that also moonlights as a potent health ally. The juice squeezed from tart cherries harbors the power to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Studies highlight its potential to keep your blood pressure in check and even take a bite out of LDL, that notorious bad cholesterol. So when you crave a sweet delight, reach out for a glass of tart cherry juice. It's not just a tasty treat but also a delicious route to reducing inflammation and supporting heart health. Now, isn't that cherylicious? Now, we want to hear from you. What's your favorite drink from our list? Share your experiences, your go-to drinks, or any questions you might have. Before you go, if you found this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that like button. It tells YouTube that we're doing something right and it helps other health warriors like you find us.